Hey everyone, what's going on? So today is finally a day to start rebuilding the transmission. Guys, I don't know how descriptive I'll be in this because I don't really know exactly what I'm doing yet. Steve from Amped is on his way with the book. Me and him together are going to do this, but I will give you the part number for the kit we ordered. We ordered it from Summit. It is MCL 88075. This is a Robustus kit. Comes with all your steels. I don't think that really helped. I don't know, the camera looks a little weird. But it comes with all your steels, all your bushings. I know the steels are not the absolute best, but unfortunately right now with the times going on, that is the best we can find in stock, and we need now. Comes with all your bands. It does come with, from what I was told, a little bit better clutches. They're probably not the best in the world, but they'll work. All your new seals, gaskets, pump seal, which we were gonna have to buy anyway, so this way we don't have to buy it. But we're gonna get started, or I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna start laying things out with each individual piece here so that we know, okay, these go here, these go here, stuff like that. So we're gonna get started and see how far we can get. Fake it till you make it, right? I mean, either we're gonna make it or it's gonna slip. Or fuck up. One way to find out. You know, my confidence level is slowly going down the more we talk.
Well, you know what? I'll tell you the same thing I tell Aaron all the time, and that's it's either gonna work or it's not. That right there.
So guys, if you look, we're finally making some progress. We've got most of the clutch packs assembled. Steve's modifying the last part of the pump for the trans brake. So we're getting that together. I got to call Rossler tomorrow and ask him some questions. I got the new bushing that we found damaged inside the center support. Don't ask me what all the parts are because I'm not really sure. We're just making it up as we go.
That one turns.
Yeah. So we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere, but we're gonna have a few things to finish tomorrow. Well, a lot of things to finish tomorrow. We're just trying to get the majority of it done and laid out so tomorrow we can slowly slide it in the case using the book to make sure everything's shimmed right. All the spacers are in it. We're missing a few nylon washers in the kit that was supposed to be everything, I thought. It looked like one of the bags had already been opened, and actually looked like a couple of the bags have been open, and I'm not really sure why. But we're just gonna have to use the old ones for now. So we're gonna keep knocking away at it. See what all we can get done tonight. So guys, it's a couple days later. I actually messed up a bushing through the, I don't even remember what it was. I flared it out trying to put it in. So we had to wait and then we got busy. So now it's Monday and we're kind of finishing up. We've got everything back together, the pump's in, everything seems to be right. We put the check ball, it seems to be right, I said. We don't know, we're giving it a shot. The check balls are in. Steve's over here finishing up the valve body, and we already modded everything for the trans brake. So now we're down to just torquing everything down, putting the valve body and stuff, getting all the shifter, oil pan, or the trans pan on it, and basically shoving it back in. So we probably won't get it back in today, but we're gonna at least get the transmission all bolted up so we can get it back in probably tomorrow. I should be able to get it back in. So stick with me guys and we'll see what happens. Well, everybody, I'm happy to say the car drives. It is driving really good. The transmission's shifting good. So maybe we kind of know how to build a transmission. I didn't video because I was trying to hold a pressure gauge. I'll show you, because we literally wanted to make sure, because the last time we did this, when the converter failed, they told us we had a pressure issue. So my way of making sure we didn't have that was to hook a pressure gauge up and drive it. So I drove it around holding the pressure gauge out the window. I'll show you real quick. But if you look, I got pressure gauge and broke my pressures down so they can't say nothing. 150 at park, 150 at idle and drive, 120 while driving real light throttle, and 180 or more line pressure with medium throttle, which is almost perfect from all the charts I've seen. So the converter fails now. There's no reason that it's a pressure issue, which was my main thing. I did some light pulls real quick. Just came back, checked the transmission fluid. I did not drive it far, probably drove it less than a mile, just making sure everything was shifting and everything just around the neighborhood. Steve's gonna come over in the next few days. Me and him are gonna go through the tune, hook up the trans brake, hook up the bump box, hook up a neutral safety switch, and put a throttle return spring on the car, because due to rules, we have to have a throttle return spring. So guys, I really appreciate it. We got a whole lot of videos coming up. We got less than 2 weeks at LS Fest this year. We'll be doing a whole bunch of crunch time. I'm super excited. I would like to say, truthfully guys, I kind of given up a little bit. I was very frustrated with this. And my boy Joe just kind of came over and was like, nah, come on, let's look at it and help me, because we couldn't get the converter in. And it was kind of my fault, but we fought with it forever, and he came over and was like, nah, let's figure it out. So we ended up pulling the pump back out of it and everything, and then finally we both kind of figured it out by doing some research and got it back in, got the converter to pop in last night for the first time. And I mean, truthfully guys, I was just wore out. The money I've spent has been stupid. But now we have a fresh built transmission, brand new converter again, brand new oil or trans pan that I really like. It's really nice and thick, guys. Moroso trans pan, great pan. And we got a Rossler trans brake we're gonna be messing with. So I mean, the transmission is brand new. There's like 2 grand wrapped up in this thing on top of the converter that was, it's just, we got a lot of money wrapped up into it. So I'd like to give a big shout out to my boy Joe though for sticking with me and kind of getting me through it, because I was frustrated. And Steve too, who's been here helping. He even handed me another converter to try yesterday. So, but now it's time to get this garage clean, because it is destroyed from all this. I also gotta get my mom's tables clean before she gets mad, but I mean, you could just tell it's just, everything's just thrown places, tools aren't back. So it's time to get it going. Guys, like, subscribe. We're real close to getting that number. Hopefully we can get it by LS Fest. And I got a big surprise for you guys, and it is what is in this box that got destroyed in shipping. We'll talk about that more in the next video in the next day or two. But I got a big surprise. We're gonna be doing some more stuff and possibly giving that away. But guys, I appreciate it. Like, subscribe. The next time, guys, we'll see you later.